Hi guys, today I want to show you how to build a pentatonic scale from scratch and how to play it throughout the whole fretboard. Sounds good to you? Stay with me. Everything starts with the triad. The triad is the basic notes of the chord. We're going to divide the guitar in 3 parts. We are in the key of G. We locate the note G on the 6th string and we build our triad. So we play the same triad shape in 3 different octaves. Note that when we play the shape, we start and finish with finger 1. This is very important. The first step will be to improvise with the triad to really get the sound of the chord in your ear. After we have the triad down, we add one more note to the shape. So we add in the 9th of the chord, which in this case, in the key of G, is the note A. So when you improvise with that, try to land as much as you can on the new note, in this case on the A note, to really get the sound and the feel of that note. The key of G, this is the bass note, and this is the 9. So when you improvise, try to emphasize this note. And finally, we add in the 5th note to the shape and we have the pentatonic scale. We are adding the note E, which is the 6th of the chord. This is a very good technique to help you to learn all the notes on the fretboard. So when you practice this, try to be aware where the note G, the root, is. Right there you have 4 different G notes on the fretboard. Okay, let's improvise. So guys, if you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below, and see you in the next one.